The guy who tried to marry his typewriter. In the 1960s, a man named Paul Dehn fell in love, not with the person, with his typewriter, specifically an Olivetti Electra 22. He was a poet, a screenwriter, and apparently very emotionally invested in his machine. He claimed the typewriter understood him. He described its spacing as perfect, its rhythm as divine, and its presence as soothing. So naturally, he tried to marry it. He filed legal paperwork, submitted a marriage license request, told the press, said it wasn't a stunt, it was a mechanical soulmate situation. The government, understandably, said no, but he kept writing about it, publicly, dramatically. He called the rejection a tragic misreading of love's potential in the modern age. Some people thought it was performance art, others thought he was just lonely. He said, "We complete each other. I bring the words, she brings the form." And the kicker? He never stopped using that typewriter. He kept it in perfect condition, oiled, polished, and always covered when not in use. They were never legally married, but honestly, he was more committed than half the couples in Vegas.